The good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 26 from verse 1 to verse 30. When Jesus done say all of them sitting here, him said to him special follower them say, "Uno know say 2 days from now, the Passover holiday where people yam bread without yeast are come. And them are go hand over the man where God pick so them can kill him upon the cross." Then the head priest and the Jew elder them meet up which part the leader for the priest them live. The leader for the priest them did name Caiaphas. The group of them plan how them would have find some tricky way and hold on upon Jesus so them could have kill him. But them say, make we not do it on the Passover holiday, because the people them might have caused hell and powder house. Jesus did their Bethany, as Simon yard. Simon, I one of them where did have the sickness will make your skin fussy. No, when Jesus did this, so one woman come to him with one dear perfume in a one little stone jar. Jesus did there on the table when she take the stone jar and throw out the perfume upon him head. When him follower them see this here, them beg so till them bout for boss. Hear them now? Where she waste the perfume so far? It could have did sell a whole heap and take the money, give poor people. Jesus did don't know where them did I say. So him said to them, say, where you know bother the woman for? I see no good she do to me. Cause I go ever have poor people around you know. But now go have me around here we don't know forever. When she throw the perfume upon my body, she'll get me ready for when them go bury me. Hear me now? And I chew me attack. Anytime people preach that good news here around the world, them are going to remember and talk about what she do. Then, one of Jesus' 12 followers, the one we named Judas Iscariot, left go which part the head priest them there. Hear him to them now. When do we give me if me help you arrest Jesus? So they count out 30 silver coin and say, at that him we get. From that time there, Judas start look for one chance to sell out Jesus. No, the holiday when people name bread without yeast did come. On the first day of the holiday there, Jesus' special follower them come to him and say, where you want we feel look after the Passover food for your name? So Jesus say, go to so and so in the town and tell him this. The teacher say, my time soon come. Me I go name the Passover food with my special follower them a few hours. Him follower them, do him tell them to do, and then look about the Passover food. When evening come, him go sit down at the table with him 12 follower them. And when them there nyam a go on, he said to them, say, me tell you this, and I chew me attack, one I know, I go sell me out. Them heart get heavy. And every one of them start say to him, say, I can't me, Lord. Jesus answer back, the one where dip him and in at the bowl with me, him I go sell me out. The man where God pick must go. Same how God would say him I go. But you see, the man where sell him out, trouble for him, me tell you. Him would have better off if he name born. Then Judas, the said one, where did I go sell out Jesus? Hear him now? I can't me, teacher. Jesus said, you say so yourself. When time them dead and yam, Jesus take the bread, give thanks, and broke it, give him follow them. Him say, take this and yam it. This is my body. Then, after him take the cup and give thanks, him give them and say, all I know, drink from it. Because this is my blood. And that blood here, used to set up the new plan where God make, we don't know. And that blood here, run for everybody so they can get pardon for their sin. Here we may say, me nah drink no more wine till that day they come when me drink it within one new way in my Father kingdom. After they sing what him done, them left go on Mount Olive. And God would this. Thank God.